Is Bitcoin in uncharted territory? I've been hearing a lot of reports that Bitcoin is completely in uncharted territory, that we could just go down to 7,000, 10,000, whatever. I'm going to give you my perspective on that. But first, please like, subscribe, check us down below for our CT Club, where you get our trade alerts, portfolio, and you get to see how we are dealing with this bear market. You get to see what coin I just bought today. Very excited that finally it hit. Anyways, let me get into why this is not an uncharted territory. First off, Bitcoin usually bottoms around, gosh, what is it? It's 15 to 25% from the 200 weekly moving average. Okay, so once it drops 15 to 25% under the 200 weekly moving average, that's usually where it usually bottoms, okay? So right now we're about 15%, about 15%. I know the prices are going crazy right now, but you know that we are still fine. And even if we dropped another 10% under where we are now, we would still be in uncharted territory. We're fine. You know when Bitcoin wasn't in uncharted territory, sorry guys, was back in 2020, March 2020, when we had the entire globe locked down, money velocity completely halted, decimated the global economy, literally decimated it, okay? That's when Bitcoin was in uncharted territory. And what did Bitcoin do in uncharted territory? It went down like from $7,000 to $3,500, and then it proceeded to go over the next year or so to $69,000. Yes, you heard that right. Decimated all the longs that were leveraged or whatever, and then took off. Also know when Bitcoin was in uncharted territory was when the lending platforms went down, right? Three Arrows Capital, or actually it was first Luna, Terra Luna, and Anchor Protocol went down. Then that affected Three Arrow Capital, and then you had the whole Celsius debacle and all that stuff. That was pretty uncharted territory. That had never happened before. That was essentially the black swan of crypto. And how far did it go down? $17,500. That was a really good buying opportunity as well. Tomorrow, what I'm going to get into is there's some instances that are happening, that are going to be happening with the Federal Reserve, and that people are scared of. And I think that's what's putting pressure on the broader market. So the broader market got crushed the other day with, I think it was down 1,000 points. And now futures are down, right now at 200 points or whatever. Not much or whatever. It's still over 30,000 on the Dow. So I'm going to get into why I think that we are definitely not in uncharted territory. Not only that, but I think Bitcoin's going to be able to thrive big time, more than most people think, later on in the future. Could we drop from here? Yes, obviously we could drop. Don't be surprised about anything Bitcoin does. It's only under a $400 billion market cap right now. Like, that's such a tiny asset class compared to the rest of the world's asset classes, okay? But in the meantime, just try to relax. Relax, guys. We've been telling our CT Club members that we've been buying dollar cost averaging on the way down, okay? And anything under 20 grand is a steal in my opinion. Anyways, that's all I have. Please like, subscribe, and I will talk to you soon.